Hey there, what's up, you guys? My name is Jessica. I go by Jaw Speaks. I am the head content creator here at Jaw Speaks Digital, where we teach experts how to share their expertise with more people. And today I wanted to talk to you guys all about Facebook business page monetizations option. And either if you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, go to Just Speaks Digital on Instagram, because I usually update a lot of information on Instagram first, but I thought I'd share it with you all here because I figured, you know what, you guys may not know about it, and I wanted to tell all of my business peeps here on Facebook about it. So I am just going to share my screen with you all and show you guys all how the monetization is working on your Facebook business page. So if you are a Facebook business page owner, this does not mean your Facebook group, but your business page. Now, there's actually some things that are going on with Facebook groups as well, and I'll do a separate video about that, on how you can monetize your Facebook group. And I think people have really been talking about that already, but specifically I wanted to show you guys how to monetize your Facebook business page. So I am going to go there now. All right, and let me just get this into the frame here. I'm going to shrink this down a bit so that it fits all the way in the frame. And let's see. Yeah, let's shrink it down a little bit more. Okay, there we go. All right, so on your Facebook business page, and then now I need to adjust this a bit, so I apologize, this wasn't together the way I thought it was when I started. All right, so if you go to your Facebook business page, you actually have a creator's emblem there, and if you activate your creator option on your Facebook business page, then you'll come across this, which will have all of your posts. As you can see, no one watches me on Facebook, but hopefully that'll change soon. So what I am doing is I'm actually going through and I'm monetizing a lot of my Facebook business pages. I have about, I'm going to say about 6 Facebook business pages, and I'm going to go through and monetize some of those that have content on them already, and the ones that do not have content, I'll either get a VA to start creating content on it, or I will create content myself. Of course, on the Jaw Speaks Digital page, I am going to create content specifically for this page. So if you take a look here, you have your insights, you have, of course, your inbox, you also have your monetization button. So if we go here and click it, it'll actually show you if you are eligible to monetize. And I'm eligible. Woo! Yay! Woo! Yes! Right? So I can monetize my Facebook business page. So if you guys have a Facebook business page, and I know a lot of you do here, you know, a lot of my Facebook peeps, my bros, my brus here on Facebook, you guys have a Facebook business page, go ahead and monetize it if you're going to be creating content on your business page. Or if you already have content on your business page, definitely want to monetize it. Now, I wanted to tell you guys and talk to you guys a little bit about all of this, because here's the thing with Facebook. Of course, Facebook is owned by our Facebook and Instagram. They're together, right? They're in cahoots. And Facebook, I'm going to put my face up here. And Facebook is actually owned, our Instagram is owned by Facebook. So this is going to really pull together your overall strategy, right? Your overall marketing strategy and your marketing mix. How can you then utilize your Instagram page along with your Facebook business page, right, which a lot of people are already currently doing, but then monetizing your content on the back end on your Facebook business page is going to be kind of the game changer for you. Now you can create your content on Instagram as well as post that content on your Facebook business page and monetize it there. I think this is a great play, but we do kind of have that ding, 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 the fights between YouTube and Facebook, right? Because it's going to be like who wants what content, who's going to be the content creator. And I think with the success of Red Table Talk, a lot of creators are going to be creating on the Facebook platform. I think Entrepreneur Magazine has some stuff on Facebook, but we're really going to see and I said this actually a couple of months ago, but we're really going to see a shift in a lot of the platforms where you're going to have to choose one platform as your primary platform. You should already kind of do that now, and then use the others as secondary driving sources. But you definitely, depending on the nature of your business and what type of content creator you are, and if you are a business owner, you're definitely a content creator, you'll have to define and figure out which platform you want to create content on. You really truthfully have to dive in and say, okay, my audience is definitely here and hanging out here. This is where I get the most bang for my buck, or there. Right now, I'm kind of in between which I guess is good because it's kind of the same platform, Instagram and Facebook. However, I've been getting a lot of traction on YouTube. I've been getting some pretty good client referrals off of YouTube as well. So it'll be very interesting to see over the next couple of months what YouTube is going to do on their end and Google is going to do on their end to kind of kick up their game. But it's interesting that Google actually utilizes Facebook for ads and Facebook uses Google for ads, all that good stuff. It's almost like that cross promotion and cross partnering happening. However, they're still in competition with each other. So it'll be interesting to see how these two work this out over the next couple of months, and kind of who's going to come out on top as far as wanting your content for mass consumption, right? Because if they don't have you as a content creator, then they don't have a positioning play. You are ultimately, and this is why I kind of went into digital media as a whole anyway, is that I understood that our content was being used, and why should we allow the platform to use our content and not use that platform back, right? There should be an exchange happening. I'm providing you with content, you're providing me with clients. We are both happy here, right? You're making your money on your end and I make my money on my end. So I think in moving forward in the future, and I was just watching earlier with what is she? She was over, not Gucci, she was over, it wasn't Old Navy, it was one of the other brands. I can't remember. I think it was Gap. I want to say it was Gap. But one of their head marketing executives talked about how crucial content is going to be moving forward and how you'll have to keep creating content. It's not going to be just a one-off thing. You will have to continuously create content and keep your content in the face of your consumer in order for them to like, know, and trust you, but also to continue on the buyer's journey, right? And how we need to switch our mindsets from thinking that we're doing traditional marketing versus digital marketing, where it's just marketing, period. So I kind of went off on a tandem here and took you a little bit off the curve here when I'm talking about the Facebook business page, but this kind of stuff excites me. So with the Facebook business page, if you have a business page, or if you're thinking about starting a business page, or you have one but you haven't been very active on it, I would recommend that you definitely start to create content on your page the way that you create content. So if you're great at writing, write more blog posts, share those on your Facebook business page, and drive that traffic back, or share the whole blog on your Facebook business page. There's different ways for you to do that. If you are a speaker like I am and you like to talk, you like to talk to people and interview people, all that good stuff, then a podcast is probably up your alley, or doing a video podcast. I've spoken to a lot of individuals who are interested in either podcasting or have just started a podcast. Very crucial that you record and have video for your podcast as well, because as we move into, like I said, we need more and more content, or you need continuous content, I should say. So you should always have something streaming. We are definitely going to need to utilize the fact that people not only want to listen to your podcast, but they also want to see your reactions and see what's happening while you're recording the podcast and all that good stuff. So, and we can see that with the growth of, podcasts like the Joe Budden podcast with like Drink Champs. I'm talking about a lot of hip hop podcasts. Sorry, I'm a hip hop head. It is what it is. So, with that all being said, if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about creating content, you definitely can reach out to me. Feel free to DM me here on Facebook. You can also go ahead and visit my website, which is jawspeaksdigital.com. And I'm super excited about this. This is really, really going to be super dope over the next couple of months to see the evolution and the growth of utilizing monetization on your Facebook business page, as well as kind of growing your communities in your Facebook groups and utilizing the strategy of Instagram and Facebook together as a whole. So my name is Jessica. I go by Jaw Speaks. Once again, I am the head content creator here at Jaw Speaks Digital, where we help experts share their expertise with more people. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to DM me, or you can visit my website at Jaw Speaks Digital and you can book a consultation there, or just see all the cool stuff I have on my website and what's going on. And of course, join us on one of our, what is it called? Digital Night School. There we go. Digital Night School nights. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful to you. I hope you will monetize your content on your Facebook business page, and also utilize the strategy of utilizing your Instagram, or connecting your Instagram to your Facebook page to get more clients and attract your ideal customer. See you guys later. I don't have anything else.